Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open battery, it's right here, and click on battery saver. So here you can smoothly activate low power solution by tapping on icon right here, and as you can see now it's active. You can notice that battery saver is active by taking a look at the red edges, and then you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping. But you can also schedule your low power solution. Just click on turn on automatically and pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. So let me choose 15, and from now on, every time the battery is lower than 15%, battery saving mode would be automatically activated. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.